In the last video, I showed you 5 AI businesses you can start with just a laptop. Business number 1, the AI automation agency, got the biggest response by far. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to build one step by step. No fluff, no theory. The exact playbook people are using right now to charge $1,500 to $5,000 per client, with $500 to $2,000 per month in recurring revenue. Whether you're starting from zero or you already have some tech skills, this roadmap works. Let's get into it. Step 1, and most people skip this, pick a niche. I know it's tempting to say, I'll automate anything for anyone, but that's a recipe for failure. The agencies making real money right now are hyper-focused on one industry. Think about it. A dental office, a law firm, and an e-commerce brand all have completely different workflows. If you try to serve all of them, you'll spend more time learning their business than actually building automations. Here are the top niches working right now in 2026. Real estate agencies. They need lead follow-up bots, appointment scheduling, and drip campaigns. Dental and medical offices. They need patient intake automation, review requests, and missed call textbacks. Home services like plumbers, HVAC, and roofers. They need instant lead response and quote follow-ups. And local service businesses in general, restaurants, gyms, salons, they all need booking automation and customer reactivation campaigns. Pick one. Become the go-to AI person for that industry. You can always expand later. Step 2 is learning your tech stack. And here's the good news. You only need to master 1 or 2 platforms. The number 1 platform I recommend for beginners is GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform built for agencies. It handles CRM, funnels, email and SMS automation, appointment booking, and now it has built-in AI features like conversation AI and voice AI agents. You can white label the entire platform and resell it to your clients, which means recurring revenue from day one. For more advanced automations, learn N8N or Make. These are visual workflow builders. You drag and drop connections between tools like a flowchart. No coding required. You can connect a client's website form to their CRM, trigger an AI chatbot response, send a follow-up email sequence, and log everything in a spreadsheet, all automatically. And for the AI layer specifically, you'll want to understand how to use large language models through simple API calls. OpenAI, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini all have straightforward APIs. But honestly, GoHighLevel's built-in AI handles most use cases without you ever touching an API. Here's my recommended learning path. Spend week 1 learning GoHighLevel basics. Week 2, build your first automation workflow. Week 3, practice on a real or mock business. Week 4, start reaching out to potential clients. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be 1 step ahead of your client. Step 3, build your first automation, and this is the portfolio piece that sells your agency. Pick the single highest impact automation for your chosen niche and build it out completely. For most local businesses, the speed to lead automation is the moneymaker. Here's how it works. A potential customer fills out a form on the business's website or sends a message on Facebook. Within 60 seconds, automatically, they get a personalized text message and email. The AI qualifies them by asking a few questions. If they're a good fit, it books them directly onto the calendar. The business owner gets a notification with all the details. No human touched anything. This one automation can genuinely double a local business's conversion rate because most businesses take hours or even days to respond to leads. Studies show that responding within 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to close the deal. Your automation responds in 60 seconds. Build this out as a demo. Record a screen walkthrough showing exactly how it works. This becomes your sales weapon. You can show potential clients exactly what their business will look like with your automation running. Step 4 is packaging your offer, and this is where most new agencies mess up. Don't sell automation, sell outcomes. Business owners don't care about workflows and API connections. They care about getting more customers, saving time, and making more money. Here's a pricing structure that works. Offer a setup package, $1,500 to $3,000 one time to build and implement the automation system. Then charge a monthly management fee, $500 to $1,500 per month for ongoing optimization, monitoring, and support. You can also add a GoHighLevel white label subscription at $97 to $297 per month. That's pure profit since you're paying a flat rate as an agency. Name your packages something simple. A starter package at $1,500 setup plus $497 per month. That includes speed to lead automation, missed call text back, and a basic CRM setup. A growth package at $3,000 setup plus $997 per month. That adds AI chatbot, review automation, and email sequences. And a premium package at $5,000 setup plus $1,500 per month. That's the full suite with AI voice agents, custom workflows, and dedicated support. The key insight: your monthly recurring revenue is what makes this a real business. 10 clients at $500 per month is $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue. 20 clients at $750 is $15,000 per month. That compounds fast. Step 5, and this is the part everyone wants to know. How do you actually get clients? Here are the 3 methods working best right now. Method 1, the free audit approach. Go to Google Maps, find businesses in your niche, and call them. But don't pitch. Offer a free automation audit. Say something like, "Hey, I specialize in helping dental offices automate their patient follow-ups. I'd love to do a quick 5-minute audit of your current setup, completely free, and show you where you're leaving money on the table." Most business owners will say yes because there's zero risk. Then during the audit, show them your demo automation. When they see a lead come in and get an instant AI response, they'll want it. Method 2, social proof through content. Start posting short-form content showing your automations in action. Screen recordings of workflows, before and after results, client testimonials. Post these on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn. This builds credibility and attracts inbound leads. Method 3, local networking. Join your local chamber of commerce, attend B&I meetings, go to industry-specific events for your niche. When someone asks what you do, say, "I help dental offices get 50% more patients by automating their follow-up. Most offices lose leads because they take too long to respond. I fix that with AI. That's specific, outcome-driven, and memorable. Your goal is 3 clients in the first 60 days. That's enough to validate your offer, get testimonials, and fund your growth. Step 6 is scaling and systemizing. Once you have your first 3 to 5 clients and a proven system, it's time to grow. First, document everything. Create standard operating procedures for every automation you build. Use templates so you can deploy a new client in hours instead of days. Second, consider hiring. Your first hire should be a virtual assistant to handle client onboarding and basic support. That frees you up to focus on sales and building new automations. You can find great VAs for $5 to $10 an hour. Third, expand your services. Once you've mastered speed to lead, add AI chatbots, voice agents, review management, and social media automation. Each new service is an upsell opportunity for existing clients. The agencies hitting 6 and 7 figures all follow this pattern. Niche down, build a repeatable system, then scale with people and processes. It's not complicated. It just takes consistent execution. Here's the reality. The AI automation agency model is one of the most accessible and profitable businesses you can start in 2026. You don't need to code. You don't need a huge budget. You need one platform, one niche, and the willingness to start. The people who are making $5, $10, even $30,000 a month with this model, they weren't special. They just started before everyone else. And right now, we're still early. If you want me to go deeper on any of these steps, how to build specific automations, how to close clients, how to scale past 6 figures, drop a comment below and let me know. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.